Remote-controlled crawlers have reached new heights in 2025, offering advanced performance, cutting-edge technology, and rugged durability for off-road enthusiasts. Whether you're a beginner looking for a ready-to-run crawler or an experienced hobbyist seeking the best terrain-conquering machine, this year's lineup has something for everyone. From high-torque motors and realistic scale designs to waterproof electronics and superior articulation, these top 15 RC crawlers deliver unmatched capabilities on rocks, mud, and trails. We've compiled the best RTR models of 2025 based on power, durability, features, and value. Get ready to explore the ultimate RC off-roaders built for adventure. Traxxas TRX 4 Sport. The Traxxas TRX 4 Sport is a 1x10 scale ready-to-run rock crawler designed for superior off-road performance. Measuring 21.93 inches in length, 9.78 inches in width, and 9.47 inches in height, it boasts a 12.28-inch wheelbase and a ground clearance of 3.14 inches. Weighing 5.79 pounds, the TRX 4 Sport features a single-speed transmission with steel gears, portal axles that enhance ground clearance and eliminate torque twist, and a full-time shaft-driven four-wheel drive system. The trail-tuned XL5HV electronic speed control supports 6 to 7 cell NIMH or 2 to 3S LiPo batteries, powering a Titan 21 T550 motors for ample torque. The TQ 2.4 GHz two-channel radio system ensures precise control, while the clipless lightweight pickup truck body and Canyon trail tires provide exceptional climbing versatility. Priced at $330, the TRX 4 Sport offers a robust and capable platform for both casual trail runs and technical crawls. Axial SCX-10-2 Deadbolt RTR. The Axial SCX-10-2 Deadbolt RTR is a 1x10 scale ready-to-run rock crawler that offers both durability and performance. Measuring 18.1 inches in length, 8.8 inches in width, and 9 inches in height, it features a 12-inch wheelbase and 2.7 inches of ground clearance. Weighing 4.65 pounds, the Deadbolt is built on a steel C-channel chassis with cross-bracing for enhanced rigidity. It comes equipped with a Dynamite 35-540 brushed motor, Spectrum 40 amp brushed ESC, and a Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz radio system. The single-piece R44 axles with a high pinion design improve ground clearance and reduce torque twist. Oil-filled coilover shocks with threaded bodies ensure smooth articulation over rugged terrain. Priced at $300, the SCX-10-2 Deadbolt delivers exceptional value for both novice and seasoned RC enthusiasts. Element Enduro Sendero RTR. The Element RC Enduro Sendero RTR is a 1/10 scale ready-to-run rock crawler that combines performance and value. Measuring 18.1 inches in length, 8.8 inches in width, and 9 inches in height, it features a 12.3-inch wheelbase and a ground clearance of 2.7 inches. Weighing approximately 6.9 pounds, the Sendero RTR is built on a steel C-channel chassis with adjustable rock sliders. It comes equipped with a Reedy 16-turn, 5-slot 550 brushed motor, Reedy SC480X electronic speed controller, and a 2.4 GHz radio system. The Stealth X gearbox offers adjustable overdrive gears, while the chassis-mounted servo and behind-the-axle steering enhance maneuverability. Oil-filled, threaded aluminum shocks ensure smooth articulation over rugged terrain. Priced around $350, the Enduro Sendero RTR offers a robust and capable platform for both novice and seasoned RC enthusiasts. HPI Venture 18. The HPI Venture 18-1985. Toyota Hilux SR5 is a meticulously crafted 1/18 scale RC crawler that combines scale realism with robust performance. Featuring a licensed 1985 Toyota Hilux polycarbonate body with intricate hard plastic details, it captures the essence of the iconic pickup. The steel C-channel chassis ensures durability, while the servo-operated 2-speed transmission and all-metal drivetrain gears provide versatility and strength on varied terrains. Equipped with oil-filled aluminum-capped coilover shocks and locked differentials, it delivers exceptional off-road capabilities. The package includes a 600 mAh 2SLIPO battery and USB charger, with a 6-channel radio system for precise control. This ready-to-run model is priced at approximately $200, offering excellent value for RC enthusiasts seeking both authenticity and performance. Traxxas TRX4 Land Rover Defender. The Traxxas TRX4 Land Rover Defender is a 1/10 scale RC crawler that masterfully combines scale realism with advanced performance. Measuring 23.07 inches in length with a 12.75-inch wheelbase, it features a rugged steel ladder frame chassis and portal axles, delivering impressive 3.14 inches of ground clearance. The Titan 21T 550 motor, paired with the XL 5HV ESC, ensures robust power, while the remote locking differentials and high and low transmission offer versatility across terrains. Equipped with oil-filled GTS shocks and a detailed Land Rover Defender body, this RTR model is priced at $500, offering exceptional value for enthusiasts seeking both authenticity and capability. Axial SCX 10.3 Basecamp RTR. The Axial SCX 10.3 Basecamp RTR is a 1/10 scale RC crawler that offers exceptional performance and value. Measuring 20.75 inches in length with a 12.3-inch wheelbase, it features a sturdy steel C-channel chassis and AR45 portal axles, providing 2.5 inches of ground clearance for superior off-road capability. The vehicle is powered by a 35T540 brushed motor coupled with a Spectrum 40A waterproof ESC, ensuring reliable performance across various terrains. Equipped with oil-filled shocks and licensed Falcon Wild Peak tires, it delivers excellent traction and stability. The SCX 10.3 Basecamp RTR is priced at approximately $320, making it an attractive choice for both beginners and seasoned RC enthusiasts seeking quality and affordability. Element Zuul 2. The Element RC Enduro Zuul IFS2. RTR is a 1/10 scale trail truck designed for serious RC rock crawling enthusiasts. Measuring 18.1 inches in length with a 12.8-inch wheelbase, it features an independent front suspension and a gatekeeper suspension package with rear trailing arms, enhancing shock tuning and weight distribution. The vehicle is powered by a Reedy 5-slot 14-turn 550 brushed motor and a water-resistant SC480x electronic speed controller, ensuring reliable performance across various terrains. Additional features include threaded aluminum shock bodies, a chassis-mounted servo, and officially licensed General Grabber all-terrain, X tires on Method 701 beadlock wheels. This ready-to-run model is priced at $400, offering a comprehensive package for both enthusiasts and newcomers. Redcat Ascent Fusion. The Redcat Ascent Fusion is a 1/10 scale RC rock crawler that exemplifies precision engineering and performance. Measuring 16.69 inches in length with a 12.32-inch wheelbase, it features a low center of gravity flat rail chassis, enhancing stability on challenging terrains. The integrated Hobbywing Fusion RTR 2-in-1 FOC brushless power system, boasting an 1800 kV 540 size motor, ensures smooth and efficient power delivery. Equipped with portal axles, 3mm carbon fiber frame rails, and oil-filled aluminum shocks, the Ascent Fusion offers exceptional durability and articulation. Priced at $400, this ready-to-run crawler provides enthusiasts with a robust and agile off-road experience. MSFCX10K5 is a 1/10 scale RC crawler that masterfully blends vintage aesthetics with modern performance. Officially licensed by General Motors, it showcases an intricately detailed 1970s-era blazer body, complete with chrome-plated grille and authentic badging. Beneath its classic exterior lies the FCX10 chassis, featuring a 2-speed transmission, switchable 2- and 4-wheel drive modes, and lockable front and rear differentials, offering versatility across diverse terrains. Equipped with portal axles, oil-filled shock absorbers, and a 550 brushed motor paired with a 60 amp ESC. It ensures both durability and responsive handling. This ready-to-run model is priced at approximately $400, delivering a harmonious blend of scale realism and trail-ready performance. Vanquish VRD Stance RTR. The Vanquish Products VRD Stance RTR is a 1x10 scale RC crawler that exemplifies competitive performance and versatility. Featuring stamped aluminum frame rails, paired with a 6-degree flat skid plate and VFD transmission, it ensures a low center of gravity for enhanced stability. The F10 portal axles, equipped with brass-weighted tubes and alloy portal knuckle covers, provide a 24% final overdrive, optimizing traction on challenging terrains. Measuring 7.87 inches in width and boasting a 12.67-inch wheelbase, the VRD Stance RTR is powered by a VM135T brushed motor and VE1 ESC, delivering reliable performance. Priced at $500, this ready-to-run model offers a comprehensive package for both enthusiasts and competitors. Traxxas Summit. The Traxxas Summit 1x10 Scale RC RTR Crawler is a versatile off-road beast that combines innovation with rugged performance. Equipped with a powerful Titan 775 motor, it delivers impressive torque, complemented by a transmitter-operated high-low transmission and remote-locking front and rear differentials, allowing seamless adaptation to diverse terrains. Its exo-cage body not only enhances durability, but also adds to its aggressive aesthetics. The Summit features a 10 LED light system, ensuring visibility during night adventures. Riding on geode rims paired with Canyon AT tires, it offers exceptional traction and stability. The TQI 2.4 GHz 4-channel transmitter ensures precise control, making it a top choice for both casual enthusiasts and serious crawlers. Priced around $500, the Traxxas Summit offers a comprehensive package for RC enthusiasts seeking both performance and adaptability. Vanquish H10 Optic Kit Version. The Vanquish H10 Optic Kit is a meticulously engineered 1x10 scale RC rock crawler that exemplifies precision and performance. Featuring a robust VFD transmission with a forward-mounted motor, it ensures optimal weight distribution and advanced control thanks to its integrated dig system. The H10 axles, wider than the F10 series, incorporate a scale hydraulic ram-style steering with a concealed servo, enhancing both realism and functionality. Its molded ABS hard body, reminiscent of trail buggies, conceals a cleverly designed battery compartment within the driver's side panel. The kit boasts a 13.26-inch wheelbase, an 8.11-inch hex-to-hex width, and a 7.80-inch height when equipped with 4.75-inch tires. Priced at approximately $390, the H10 Optic Kit offers enthusiasts a comprehensive foundation for a high-performance trail truck, requiring additional components such as wheels, tires, and electronics to complete the build. Axial Capra RTR. The Axial Capra 1.94WS Unlimited Trail Buggy RTR is a formidable 1x10 scale rock crawler designed for enthusiasts seeking unparalleled maneuverability and performance. Its standout feature is the 4-wheel steering system, managed via the included Spectrum DX3 2.4 GHz transmitter, allowing precise navigation through challenging terrains. The vehicle boasts licensed Curry F9 portal axles, delivering increased ground clearance and reduced torque twist. Equipped with a Spectrum Firma 40A brushed ESC and a 540 size 35T brushed motor, it ensures consistent power delivery. The realistic tube chassis enhances durability, while the 1.9-inch wheels, fitted with Proline Interco TSL SX Super Swamper tires, offer exceptional traction. This ready-to-run package is priced at approximately $500, providing a comprehensive solution for serious RC crawling aficionados. Axial SCX 10.3 Jeep JT Gladiator RTR. The Axial SCX 10.3 Jeep JT Gladiator RTR is a meticulously crafted 1x10 scale RC rock crawler that seamlessly blends scale realism with exceptional performance. Its SCX 10.3 chassis features a replica V8 engine cover, housing a front-mounted 540 brushed motor, enhancing both aesthetics and weight distribution. The AR45 portal axles provide increased ground clearance and reduced torque twist, ensuring superior off-road capability. A functional DIG transmission allows for rear axle locking via the Spectrum DX3 transmitter, facilitating tighter turns. The detailed Jeep JT Gladiator body boasts over 20 injection-molded components, including a realistic bed rack and door handles. With a 14-inch wheelbase and a 3-piece body design, it offers both stability and authentic appearance. Priced around $580, this RTR model delivers an immersive and versatile crawling experience for enthusiasts. Redcat Everest Ascent. The Redcat Everest Ascent is a meticulously engineered 1x10 scale RC rock crawler, delivering exceptional performance for both novices and seasoned enthusiasts. Featuring a 42T 550 brushed motor and a V4 crawler ESC, it ensures consistent power across diverse terrains. The forward-mounted motor and quick-change underdrive transfer case optimize rock climbing capabilities. Portal axles provide increased ground clearance, while the low center of gravity flat rail chassis enhances stability. Aluminum-bodied oil-filled shocks and a 35-kilogram metal gear waterproof servo further augment its durability and responsiveness. The Redcat RTX 4C4 channel radio system offers precise control with adjustable EPA on all channels. Measuring 444 millimeters in length, 242 millimeters in width, and 213 millimeters in height, with a 313 millimeters wheelbase, the Everest Ascent is competitively priced at $320, offering outstanding value in the RC crawler market.